Hi Spy Ninjas, today is a big day. I'm finally going to be debuting my exercise routine called the Aerobics. Yeah, I'm actually kind of nervous because it's a live stream, you guys, so everything happens live. I'm not sure. Oh, Daniel.
Today's the big day, I'm so excited.
Yeah,
Can I come with you?
Definitely.
I can set the live stream, and also if you're doing it at the park, there's hackers there, so I can fight them off if they come.
Oh, that's true. I forgot about the hackers. You go get ready. I'll get Regina right here. Okay. Regina! Wait, what are you doing?
V, what did I tell you? I mean,
What?
this is my room. You can't just be barging in here like that. What? Scare the jabeezus out of me.
I'm sorry, but I thought, once your secret room was revealed, we have an open door policy in the safe house. Like family.
Okay, fine, V.
Wait, why you keep touching the Stranger Things poster? Wait, oh, Spider-Man. Wait, oh, it's over there. Yeah, the Stranger Things poster.
It's just, this is one of my favorite movies. I don't want the poster to get ruined, and I can see it's starting to rip. I think Chad's calling you over there. He seems like he's in a pickle.
I didn't hear anything, but jeez. What is with Regina? I thought once the secret room's revealed, then nothing is a secret anymore. She's acting really weird in there, right? You guys agree with me, right? There's something weird. All right, I'm gonna go look for Chad and Melvin, see if they want to come with me to my live stream premiere. Kind of worried about Regina. You guys keep an eye on her. Oh, what's going on with her in the room there? Wow! What's going on here?
What's up, V?
That's kind of pretty good music. Maybe I'll use it in my aerobics routine. I mean, V-robics.
V-robics?
Yeah.
Where are you doing that at?
I'm gonna do that at the park.
The park?
Oh!
My goodness. Why's that here so low? Hackers are always at the park. You can't go there?
That's always been there. And don't worry about it, because Daniel's gonna come with me. He's a strong spy ninja, so it's not gonna be a problem.
So we could just jam out then and run our heads into chandeliers?
Makes kind of a cool drum sound.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait.
What's up?
Just a little small huddle here.
Little small huddle.
Regina's being kind of weird. I was in the secret room with her. It's not a secret room anymore, but she's acting like it's a secret room again. So keep an eye on her.
She didn't want you going in there?
She let me in there, but she didn't really want me in there.
I go in there. She's weird all the time.
She's always weird, yeah, but okay, we'll keep an eye on her.
Okay. Daniel! Are you ready?
Let's do this thing, V. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, gonna be so awesome. Okay.
All right, V, are you ready? Today's the big day. You're gonna go live in front of thousands, maybe even millions of people.
Daniel, I'm not sure if I'm ready for this. I just started this yesterday. I haven't really worked out my routine. I don't know. What if things go wrong?
You know what? I hear you. I was nervous too the first time I played those musical instruments at the park.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Chad said some really nice things to me and made me less nervous. I'll try to do the same to you. V, you can do this. You're the best. You're the bee's ankles. You are the cat's leotards. Yeah, I think he said it to me and it made me feel better.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna be live soon. We gotta get in position.
I'm not ready.
You can do this.
Daniel, I'm not ready.
You can.
No, wait, no, please. Stop. Can you delay? Just delay it for a few minutes. Can we just go over some of the routines?
We'll go live in 5 minutes. Let's practice, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
And then you add the arms, hands, clapping, maybe.
well, that's really good. It could use a little more pizzazz. Maybe after this, you do a little bit of this. Rub the legs, get the blood flowing.
Oh, okay. This looks familiar. This is your banana dance, isn't it? It kind of gave me nightmares a little bit. Daniel, we need more moves.
Actually, you know what? We gotta go live now. People are getting impatient. I'm gonna set up the laptop, hook it up to the camera, and we're gonna go live, okay? You can do this, V. I'll be monitoring the live chat, okay?
Yeah.
So you ready?
Not really, but I guess.
We're going live to the world in 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, my name is V from the Qwaint channel. If you don't know who I am yet, make sure to take your phone, turn it upright, and if the subscribe button is red, make sure to turn it gray so you get to know who I am, and then we're gonna get healthy together in 2020. Are you guys ready for some aerobics on?
Yeah, that's it, V. Keep going. I gotta read the comments and see what they're saying. Dang, we're already at 2,000 views. Nice, V. I'm gonna keep reading the comments, but also gotta look out for hackers. They're always at this park.
My heart rate's getting fast. It's getting kind of hot here. 1, 2, 3, dab. 1, 2, 3, dab. 1, 2, 3, dab.
Hot Dog Hater 5 says, Qwaint the best. Uh-oh. I'm I'm not gonna tell V about this comment, but someone named Concrete Jungle Man says, "You losers don't even do it right." What the heck? I'm gonna block him from the chat. You can't be leaving mean comments like that. Jeez.
Jazz hands. Yeah. Yeah. What's going on back there? Daniel, what are you doing here?
What?
What are you doing here?
I wanna be part of the live stream.
Who's doing the technical support right now? What if something goes wrong? This is not part of the Aerobics. Daniel, get out of here. You're ruining the dream.
What the heck? This is a weird username. Fly Shy Pie Guy says, "This is simply the incorrect method to disperse of calories. She's not moving at the optimal rate for the BPM of the heart to reach 180, which is ideal." What the heck is this guy talking about? I burn more calories sitting at my desk. Gosh. Okay, V, we're at 10,000 views. 10,000 people are watching right now. Isn't that crazy? What the heck? Everybody in the comments are saying, OMG, OMG, OMG. What are you guys talking about? Oh no. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. I think we lost connection. Look, it says offline. What the heck just happened? V. No, V.
Oh, yeah.
Stop V-robicking.
Wait, what?
Stop. Technical difficulties. The live stream went offline.
Let me call Chad. Maybe he can bring a different camera or something. Wait, my phone's not working.
What? Hey, Siri, call Chad. Call Chad. Siri, Chad. It's not working either. What's wrong with my Apple Watch? It can't connect anymore. Something's going on here, V.
Maybe the whole entire, 1 mile radius is out. Or maybe it could be bigger. Daniel, have you heard of an EMP? It stands for Electrical Magnetic Pulse. Someone might just set off the EMP. Every electrical device in its surrounding radius is out.
You know what? When I was watching the live stream comments, right before the feed cut out, there was a bunch of people saying, OMG, OMG. Maybe they saw something that we didn't. All right, here we go. All right, rewind, and play.
That's good.
You were doing so good, VC.
Wait.
What?
Look in the back, Daniel.
Pause. What is that?
It's the hacker! What the heck? See, I know this park. This is why I got nervous. Daniel?
Where did they go? Well, let's play a little bit more. You see that?
There it is!
Yeah!
The hacker plugged something into that green box over there, and everything went completely off.
Where are they? They were right there like a couple seconds ago.
Let's just go to the green box over there.
Let's go to the...
See what the hacker is doing to this box over here.
This big old green box right here. What did he plug in? I don't see anything.
There's a big hole here.
Oh, man, maybe he plugged something into there.
Oh, there's all these warning signs.
Oh, gosh, I don't know if we're qualified to be tinkering around with that.
Daniel, there's a bunch of electrical boxes this way.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
Oh my gosh, there's more this way. There are so many electrical boxes, Daniel. I think we should split up. I'm gonna actually work on that one over there and try to lockpick it. Maybe you can go and just try to get signal or something. Use your watch.
Okay.
Trying to get signal and...
Good luck, V.
Okay, this electrical box thing or the EMP is kinda really ruining our lives because if we don't have any electrical signals, we can't use our laptops, we can't use our phones, we can't record videos and upload it to YouTube for you guys. There's just a huge mess here. So I feel like we need to get down to the bottom of this. I gotta go unlock the electrical box. Hopefully Daniel can go outside of the range. Daniel! Where did he go? I told him to stay by that electrical box. Where did he go? Spy Ninjas, did you guys see where he went? Daniel! Whoa. Is that hackers in that car over there? Okay. Alright. Okay, they're opening the door. Those are Project Soko members! That's right. Oh my gosh, what are they doing here? Oh my gosh. Is that who I think it is? It's Daniel! What happened to him?
Already we're done here.
Wait, did they say they're done with him? What does that mean? Is he okay? They're just walking away right now. Daniel's just laying there. Alright guys, I'm just gonna wait until the hackers are far away and then I'm gonna go and help Daniel. Okay, they're far away now. Here's my chance. Oh gosh, I hope he's okay. Daniel? Are you okay? I'm gonna put you guys down so I can wake him up here. I tried this with Chad once. Let's see. Daniel! Hello? Daniel! Are you okay? What did the hackers do to you?
I don't know.
Wait.
Oh! This car! This is the hacker's car, I think.
Are you hurt?
I feel okay. Yeah, the hackers were saying some important stuff is in this car.
Oh, in it? Okay, well, let's just inspect. I mean, it's not stainless steel like the DeLorean, so it's not that special.
It's locked.
There's a bunch of boxes in here. Yes. And the window's wide open. Gee, I wonder what's inside. Must be something really important.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Get down. The hackers. Those are the same hackers that took me, I think.
Oh my gosh, they're getting close. Okay, maybe I could fit into that window. I'm like tiny spy ninja, you know?
Oh. Okay.
And Daniel.
Yeah?
Play dead.
Play dead?
Yeah. I mean, if you're unconscious, they're not gonna hurt you. Just lay down like you were before.
Okay, sounds good. All right, they're coming. Go in the window.
Okay. Oh gosh.
Yes.
Lift up!
There you go. Perfect. Oh. Are you okay? Okay.
Oh gosh.
That's creepy.
Okay, great.
Are you stuck? I gotta go play unconscious.
Okay. I'll get out of here.
Take the camera.
Okay. Good luck. Looks good, Daniel.
It's so easy to knock Daniel down.
Yeah, I reckon something wrong with his internals.
I think I have an idea.
I wish I brought my wrench. Maybe we can take a look inside.
It's confirmed. His feet really smell like sauerkraut.
Oh, Daniel, they actually think you're unconscious. Good job. Oh, the window's just rolling up. Hello? Oh, whoa, wait, what's going on? Guys, the window just rolled up. Good thing it's not rolled up all the way.
Hey, you wanna play a game? Look at this. Look at this game.
I got his arms.
Hey, I reckon I eat all the plants and the crops.
What are they doing to Daniel right now? They're just messing around. They're making fun of him. They're making him say mean stuff about himself.
Wait, look at this.
Oh, he's a plumber.
Stop goofing around, hackers, and just tell me what's in this box. Wait a minute. I recognize that accent is real, Bob. I recognize that accent anywhere. And boom.
This guy's up in Dreamville.
Daniel's smiling. He's supposed to be unconscious. They're gonna notice him smiling. Oh, Daniel's so bad at this.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm the worst spy ninja.
Watch where you're pointing that finger. It's got some contaminants on its finger.
He needs to think of something like sad. Like this lost puppy and stuff. Don't smile. Where are your parents, Daniel? We gotta start finding Daniel's parents and his dog. It'd be nice to have a little puppy in the safe house.
Really, Bob? We need to go to the bar.
Yeah. You know all those gosh darn files that we just took from the city? I reckon they're still up in this car.
Yeah?
What? Did you guys hear that? They stole these boxes from the city. They must be planning something big.
Door lock. Show that.
What happened to the keys?
And key. I don't have key.
They're trying to get in the car right now. Oh gosh, they're walking all over.
Well, gosh darn it, it's locked.
You don't have key?
No.
Check your pouch. It's just a trap adapter.
They're completely locked out. These hackers are just a bunch of idiots.
I didn't even drive there. Fifth, where's the keys then?
I don't have key. What is it?
Oh gosh.
Oh nine. Maybe we left key in unconscious Daniel.
Yeah, I reckon we give it a look or something.
Oh no, now they're gonna look in Daniel's shirts and pants and stuff. They think they might leave the key in there? Why would they do that? It's gonna be really bad. Daniel's super ticklish.
I think this is it.
Is it in here?
Oh no, he's laughing. I can hear Daniel laughing. He's gonna blow his cover.
Hey! What the heck?
Wait, can he? They're gonna battle royale him?
Why are you guys touching me like that? It tickles!
Well, look here, that guy was a faker.
Daniel!
We gotta get you out of here!
Daniel, I'll be okay! Just go! Just go meet up with Chad, Melvin, and Regina! Yeah, I'll be here. I'm gonna look through the files.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, the hackers can't get in, so I'm safe.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Good luck!
Yeah, see you later. Oh my gosh, guys! Billy Bob and Foom is right outside the door! They're trying to get in! Oh my gosh, I'm kind of stuck in here for a while. Alright, oh gosh, I need help. I gotta think about this. But thank you so much to all you spy ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. They're still out there. I'm showing you comments right here. But make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, Daniel, Regina, and Melvin. And hopefully I can find out what he stole from the city without them finding that I'm in here. Oh my gosh, it's still out there. there? Alright guys, silent kick bump.